since you helped me sell my dream, we can share my mama now. And like NJB, no more drama now. Living the good life, me and Common on common ground.
She set up in the way, staying off foot in. He's fed up being poor and got lost a bit. Man, everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. She set up in the way, staying off foot in. He's fed up being poor and got lost a bit. Man, everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. Yeah, everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. Obsessed from a young age, cool as guns blaze, none safe. Ignorance is on the front page. At some stage, man, we slipped into some dumb phase, filled with pictures of bitches up in a drunk days. Sometimes can't believe what they be feeding us. Gossip, it got the media's obedience. Toxic, they got us reading about some deviance. They prefer photogenic over genius. Ingredients to aid self-destruction. Popularity increases if you fail to function. Intelligence equates to sales and nothing. I reminisce on tapes that were laced with substance when investigative news papers publishing. All girls didn't think their body shapes repugnant. A great abundance of lies to idolize. Modern scribes seem confined to meaningless diatribe. In my eyes, in your eyes, she set up in the way, staying off foot in. He's fed up being poor and got lost a bit. Man, everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. She set up in the way, staying off foot in. He's fed up being poor and got lost a bit. Man, everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. Everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. We got idols, this life got them stocking up pills. Get the spotlight for piping, squandering mills. Rhymers who get shot, robbing they steal. Rub off on the brightest, now they out popping tills. What's the appeal? What created the change up? Not even a teen, she's caking her face with makeup. Is it human nature a good, go gone bad? Stealing wine from a house, singing songs of rehab. Stumbling home, ripped jeans and knee scabs. Skin and bone, our culture seems to breathe that. Could it be that? They vision the beauty of shadow. Climbing poles, shaking booties like pussycat dolls. Mind state, undeveloped like tadpoles. They push our soul to imminent black holes. That hole that it's got, it's out of control. But you know it don't stop us. Profitable from my eyes to your eyes, for her eyes, it's right there. She set up in the way, staying off foot in. He's fed up being poor and got lost a bit. Everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. She set up in the way, staying off foot in. He's fed up being poor and got lost a bit. Man, everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. Everywhere I walk, distortion is. But are you not entertained? Of course you is. Why do they walk like this? Why do they talk like this? Simple and plain, they just caught where distortion is. Why do we walk like this? Why do we talk like this? We yourself changed, like up in this game, we've been forced to fit. Why do they walk like this? Why do they talk like this? Simple and plain, they just caught where distortion is. Why do we walk like this? Why do we talk like this? We yourself changed, like up in this game, we've been forced to fit. Why did they walk like this? Why do they talk like this? Simple and plain, they just caught where distortion is.